So let's do question number 5, part 5, and here we have cos a minus sin a plus 1 divided by cos a plus sin a minus 1, and that we have to prove as equal with cosec a plus cot a. So we have to use this identity, cosec square a equal to 1 plus cot square a somewhere in this sum. Okay, so let's start with our LHS. So our LHS is cos a minus sin a plus 1 divided by cos a plus sin a minus 1. So look here, we will convert this in term of cos and cot. Okay, so since in our RHS we have cosec and cot, so let's convert everything in term of cosec and cot. So with what we will be dividing in the numerator and denominator, so that we will get cot and cosec. So if we divide by sine in the numerator and sine in the denominator, we will get something in terms of cosec and cot. So let's do that. So let's divide the numerator by sine. So cos a by sine a minus sine a by sine a plus 1 by sine a divided by cos a by sine a plus sine a by sine a minus 1 by sine a. So here cos a by sine a will be how much? It will be cot a minus sine a by sine a gets cancelled out with, okay, and we are left with 1 plus 1 by sine a is nothing but cosec a. Then we have cos by sine. Cos by sine is again cot a plus sine by sine gets cancelled out with each other and we are getting 1. Then again 1 by sine a is nothing but cosec a. So in the numerator we have cot a minus minus 1 plus cosec a, and in the numerator we have cot a plus 1 minus cosec a. So why not take minus common here, okay, and then we will be getting something like 1 minus cosec a in the numerator also. So let's do that step. Okay, so in the numerator let's take minus common. So we will get how much? Minus minus is plus and minus plus is minus cosec a, okay, divided by cot a plus 1 minus cosec a. Then look here, here we have minus 1 minus cosec a, here also 1 minus cosec a, and let's treat this entire stuff as one entity. Okay, so is it not like in the denominator a plus b? Okay, and what if we multiply and divide by a minus b? Okay, so we can use a square minus b square in the denominator. Simply we will be, okay, multiplying with the conjugate, okay, of the denominator. Okay, so that only we are going to do here. So see what we are going to get. So cot a 1 minus cosec a, okay, divided by cot a plus 1 minus cosec a. So my purpose is to use a square minus b square in the denominator, that is we will be multiplying with the conjugate. So what is the conjugate of cot a plus 1 minus cosec a? This will be cot a minus 1 minus cosec a. In the numerator also we will have to multiply with the same thing so that nothing is extra. It is cosec a. Again, look here carefully. It is cot a plus 1 minus cosec a, and it is cot a minus 1 minus cosec b. This is a plus b, a minus b. So we can use a square minus b square in the denominator. So how much we are getting then? So we are getting cot square a minus, our b square is 1 minus cosec a whole thing square. Then in the numerator it is cot a minus 1 minus cosec a, again cot a minus 1 minus cosec a. Basically this thing and that thing, okay, are exactly same. So we will get how much? We will get cot a minus 1 minus cosec a whole thing square. Yes or no? So basically this is a minus b whole thing square. So let's proceed with the sum. Then here is our a minus b whole thing square. Let's use that identity. So what's the formula for a minus b whole thing square? It is a square minus twice a, and b is 1 minus cosec a, okay, plus b square. A square minus twice ab plus b square. So b square will be 1 minus cosec a whole thing square. Okay, so it is a square minus twice ab, okay, twice ab plus b square. Okay, then in the denominator it is cot square a minus, okay, within bracket a minus b whole thing square is how much? It is a square minus twice a b plus b square. Yes or no? Then we'll get how much? So we'll get how much? Let's solve it, simplify it further. So look here, minus plus is minus, 2 into 1 is 2 cot a, then minus minus is plus. So it is how much? 2 cot a cosec a. This got multiplied with this one and this got multiplied with that one. Then look at this part. I can use a minus b whole thing square, yes or no? So let's use a minus b whole thing square there. So it will be a square minus twice a, b is how much? Cosec a plus b square is cosec square a. So it is a square minus twice a b plus b square divided by, so it will be divided by how much? Cot square a minus, okay, so square of 1 is how much? Within bracket square of 1 is 1 minus 2 into 1 into cosec is how much? 2 cosec a plus cosec square a. Then after this we will getting how much? So we will getting how much? Just simplify further. So it will be cot square a minus 2 cot a plus 2 cot a cosec a plus square of 1 is 1 minus 2 into cosec a is 2 cosec a plus cosec square a divided by, here simplifying further, minus plus is minus 1, then minus is plus 2 cosec a, then minus plus is minus and will be cosec square a. Okay, so let's simplify further. Cot square a is nothing but cosec square a minus 1, then we have minus 2 cot a plus 2 cot a cosec a plus 1 then minus 2 cosec A plus cosec square A divided by, this whole thing is getting divided by cot square A minus 1 plus 2 cosec A minus cosec square A. So we'll get how much? This cosec square A plus cosec square A will give us 2 cosec square A, then minus 1 got cancelled with plus 1, then we have here minus 2 cot A plus 2 cot A cosec A minus 2 cosec A. Then in the denominator also we can do that. Okay, cot square A can be written as cosec square A minus 1. Okay, cosec square A minus 1 for cot square A. Then here it will be minus 1 plus 2 cosec A minus cosec square A. Then further solving it, we're getting how much? Look how much we're getting. What if I arrange this and this thing together and that two things together, so we can take something common, okay, on this two things. So let's do that first in the numerator. So writing 2 cosec square A plus 2 cot A cosec A together, then writing this thing also together, minus 2 cot A minus 2 cosec A together. So in the denominator we will be getting how much? In the numerator we have cosec square A minus 1 is minus 2 plus 2 cosec A minus cosec square A. Then further solving it, let's see how much we get. So if I take common 2 and cosec from these two pair, so how much we will get? 2 cosec, if I take common 2 cosec A, then we are getting cosec A, okay, plus, since we took cosec A common, we will be left with cot A. Then from these two things we can take common minus 2 and anything else? No. So we will be left with cot A plus cosec A. Then in the denominator, let's see how much we'll get. Look carefully here. This is cosec square A, this is minus cosec square A. They get cancelled. So we are left with how much? We are left with minus 2 plus 2 cosec A. So further solving this sum, see how much we get. This is cosec A plus cot A within bracket, and here also we have cosec A plus cot A within bracket. We can take common. So cosec A plus cot A will be common. So we are left with how much? We are left with 2 cosec A minus 2. Okay, and here also if we take common 2, so we will be okay. Even if we don't take common, it's okay. Okay, it is how much? If we just write 2 cosec A minus 2. Look here, this is 2 cosec A minus 2. We can just rearrange or not. So look here, this thing in the numerator and this thing in the numerator and this thing in the denominator is exactly same. So they will get cancelled out. Yes or no? So how much we are left with then ultimately? So ultimately we are getting B. We are getting cosec A plus cot A. So this is finally the proof of this question. This is a very good question, okay, a very good level question. So please solve it, practice it nicely, okay. So this is question number 5 part 6, and here we have to prove under root 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a is equal to sec a plus tan a. So look here, in this question we can simply use the concept of multiplying with the conjugate of the denominator, okay. So in the numerator we have 1 plus sin a, and in the denominator we have 1 minus sin a. So simply we can multiply, okay, with the conjugate of 1 minus sin a in the numerator and denominator. So what is the conjugate of 1 minus sin a? It will be 1 plus sin a in the denominator and 1 plus sin a in the numerator. So basically this is a minus b, this is a plus b, and it is a plus b into a plus b. So how much we will get? So we will get 1 plus sin a whole thing square in the numerator, yes or no? 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a is 1 plus sin a whole thing square, divided by, in the denominator we will be getting how much? It is a minus b, this is a plus b, so we will getting a square minus b square, yes or no? So we will get how much? Look here, okay, this stuff, this square, okay, got cancelled with the root, so you'll get how much? 1 plus sin a. Basically did not get cancelled, but basically you know what is the square root of 1 plus sin a? So it is 1 plus sin a whole thing square. So square root of 1 plus sin a whole thing square is 1 plus sin a, and in the denominator what we are left with? A square minus b square, yes or no? So it will be under root, so it will be 1 minus sin square a. Then our LHS will be 1 plus sin a divided by this thing under root. What is the value of this thing? 1 minus sin square a is nothing but cos square a, yes or no? So it will be under root cos square a. Now tell me what's the value of cos square a, square root of cos square a? So obviously it is cos a, yes or no? So it is 1 plus sin a divided by cos a. So simply splitting the numerator in two parts, okay, it will be 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. So 1 by cos a is nothing but sec a, and sin a by cos a is nothing but tan a. So which is equal to our RHS, hence proved.